In its seventh decade of independence, India stands on the cusp of a major change, a transformation that can lead to unprecedented economic growth with radical improvements in the well-being of its people. This change is being driven by the rising aspirations of India's youth, the widespread use of mobile and internet technologies, and an ever-growing middle class that will be stronger than ever. India's demographic opportunity will be squandered without adequate quality employment for its people. The country needs to also balance economic growth with improvements in human well-being. The national ambition is to become a $10 trillion economy over the next 20 years. 10 growth sectors need to be considered while measuring India's winning leap. Sectors that require the maximum transformation. For example, if we want to increase life expectancy in India to 80 years by 2034, a traditional approach will require 3.6 million additional hospital beds. With the winning leap approach, operationally efficient and proven models can be scaled up as a form of fierce catch-up. Preventive healthcare and home care constitute the significant leap, and mHealth techniques can be an example of a leapfrog solution. With these, we can achieve the same standard of care but reduce the number of beds needed by 1.2 million, resulting in savings of more than $90 billion. Extending this approach across sectors, we believe that up to 40% of the economy of the future can be based on new solutions and innovative business models. India's corporations and entrepreneurs, along with the government and global investors, can play a crucial role in developing and deploying winning leap solutions. Corporates need to focus on 5 winning themes as they build capabilities for the winning leap, serving empowered customers who demand ever more value from products and services, including greater quality as well as convenience. Corporates need to also focus on building flexible and adaptive operating models. This means creating asset-light business models, unconventional sales and distribution channels, and leveraging technology in new ways. Using non-traditional resources and partnerships, such as developing know-how through partnerships with the government and organizations in the social sector. Corporates need to push themselves in order to embrace innovation by investing sufficiently in R&D and unlocking the entrenched organizational structures that tend to prevent change. Companies need to better align the management with the board in order to instill accountability, integrity, and diversity into their organizational culture. India will need to forge deeper ties with the international community in order to boost the two-way flow of trade, know-how, and investment. The largest nation-building exercise is underway. The country will have to transform to prosperity. Corporations will need to transform themselves to world leaders. Indian citizens will have to transform from being users to creators of knowledge. Join the conversation and share what the winning leap means to you. Let's come together to give India the future it deserves.